What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the I Am Real channel. My name is Art, and today we're going to be talking about the basics of e-commerce. It occurred to me recently that there are some people out there who may not know about what e-commerce is. In my last few videos, I just assumed that everybody knew what it was. So in this video, I'm just going to go over the basics. If this is something that interests you, something maybe you want to get into, go ahead and stay for the video. If you're already kind of advanced, and this is probably not the video for you, you might get something out of it, you might not. For those of you who don't know who I am, if this is your first time watching one of my videos on my channel, welcome. My name is Art. I've been doing e-commerce on and off for about 3 years now, somewhat successfully, somewhat unsuccessfully. If you want to follow me on my journey, this year I'm going to try to get up to 90K on my retail arbitrage business. If that sounds like something you'd be into, if you want to learn more about what e-commerce is, what Amazon is, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up if you like this one, and let's get into it. So, what exactly is e-commerce? All it is, it's the buying or selling of goods on the internet through online means, in services. That goes for to buy something from Amazon, eBay, Etsy, those type of things. And that's really all it is. With e-commerce, there are two sides to it. There is the consumer side, and then there is the merchant side, which is probably why you're watching this video right now. So the consumer side is us purchasing goods or services wherever you can go online and buy goods or services. So Amazon, Etsy, eBay, Pinterest. The other side is the merchant side. So whether you're a third party or a first party seller like Amazon, or if you have your own product, maybe you're selling t-shirts, that would be considered a first party. You can use intermediaries like or different platforms like you can sell your stuff on Amazon, you could sell your stuff on a Shopify website, and then you can run traffic to it. With the third party part of it, you can actually sign up for a lot of these platforms for free. So you can go into eBay. A lot of people sell on eBay. Maybe they might sell stuff out of their garage, or maybe they might have their own little reselling business where they go out and find products at stores and resell them on eBay. A lot of people have been making a lot of money for years doing that. Amazon is a free platform. You can sign up for the professional account, which I do recommend if you're going to do it, if you're going to be serious about it. But if you don't want to, you don't have to. There's Mercari. These platforms allow you to sell on there, but they take a percentage out. And then I think you also have to pay for shipping, but you don't get paid until after they take the percentage out, so you don't have to worry about coming out of pocket. So I just kind of settled on Amazon. I'm going to be putting a lot of content. I'm going to try to get content out every Saturday. Before I get more into that though, if you've already tried some of these platforms already, what you think about it, leave that in the comments below. So next I want to get into the reason why I chose Amazon. Amazon is $1 trillion company right now. I look at it basically like this. If you have two stores, one of them, if you have two stores in a shopping center, and maybe there's a store in the back and there's a store right by the highway, right by the street, which one would you rather be? Right? If you're the one in the highway, you don't have to worry about attracting customers to you because they already see you as they're passing by. Whereas if you're the store in the back and nobody knows who you are, you might have to run ads, right? You have to take out ads in the newspaper. Maybe you have somebody out in the front with a sign dancing. But if you're right there at the corner, you don't have to worry about that. You don't have to pay for advertising. The only thing you pay for really is the real estate. But at the end of the day, you get your money faster. You get a lot more eyeballs. And that to me is worth it. So that's a big plus and why I chose Amazon. It's well known. There are some cons. One of the biggest cons is that you're going to have a lot of competition. There's going to be already a lot of people who've been doing this for a while that are doing it. There's still a lot of money to be made from using Amazon, even though there's a lot of people on the platform already. There are a lot of people who get on the platform and then leave because it gets too hard, or maybe the competition, or maybe they just don't have enough money, or maybe they don't know what they're doing. So there's still a lot of room out there. The second biggest thing is you have to play by their rules. So Amazon is kind of crazy. There's a lot of things you'll have to learn that you maybe didn't know before. It really is like learning a different language. That is one of the biggest drawbacks of doing Amazon, is they're always changing the rules. So you just gotta kind of stay on top of it, which is exactly why I'm creating this channel, to help people who are just like me. You're just starting out, you don't know what you want to do, or maybe you don't know which way to go. That's it. It's a really quick, simple, easy video. I just wanted to kind of get this out there. Guys, I'm gonna be documenting my journey. What month is it right now? It's August. It's the end of August. I think it's August 28th. Honestly, I did this is the third time doing it. The first time I did it, the video was all wrong. Then I didn't have the sound the second time. So this is my third time doing this video. So I hope you like it. I hope you got something out of it. But guys, I'm gonna be documenting my journey as much as I can from now until the end of the year, and see how much money I can make doing retail arbitrage. I'll give you some pointers, show you what programs I'm using. If this is something you're into, like I said, hit the like button, subscribe. I'm also going to be doing my Discord, where I'm going to be documenting a lot of the things I'm already doing. I'll put up here somewhere what I'm at right now for the year and for the month. As far as revenue goes, I'm going to try to get to 90K by the end of the year, guys. So if that's something you want to see, something you're interested in, follow. We'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.